How to know if people will pay you for your knowledge. You need to watch this video to the end before you create any digital product. Ensure you watch this video to the end. So in this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can validate whether people are going to pay you for your knowledge. Now you might be thinking that who am I and how am I qualified to teach you this? This is because in the last 30 days, I was able to sell this 3,000 naira course to over 100 person, making over 300,000 naira in ads revenue. So, and this is not the first time. I have a lot of digital products that I've sold over the years, and they really did well. So, if you follow whatever I'm going to teach you in this video, you're going to get value and it's going to really work for you. So, let us dive into it. So, having knowledge is not enough. Yeah, having knowledge is not enough. You may have knowledge, experience, or skill, but that doesn't automatically mean that people are going to pay you for it. So that's the mistake that a lot of people make. They feel like, okay, my knowledge, my expertise, my experience is enough. People are going to pay you for me. No. The question you should ask yourself is, do people want the result your knowledge can give them? Because what people want differs from what you have. So if the result your knowledge gives is not what people want, they are not going to pay you for it. So you need to be able to validate if your knowledge, your skill, your experience is something people are ready to pay for. And I will show you how to validate that in this video, right? So don't sell knowledge. What I would advise is that you sell a problem, because people don't simply pay because you know something. No, that's not the reason why people are paying. They pay because your knowledge can help them solve a problem, save time, make money, avoid mistake, learn a skill, achieve a desired result. These are the reason why people pay for anything online. If your knowledge can solve a problem that they have, they will pay you for it. If your knowledge can save time for them to save more time, they will pay you for it. If your knowledge can help them to make money, they will definitely pay. Or avoid mistake, learn a skill, achieve a desired result, they are going to pay for it. But if it does not do any of these things, then don't think that people are going to pay for it, right? So knowledge for valuable opportunity equals, or knowledge plus valuable problem equals opportunity, right? So sign one that people are going to pay for your knowledge is, are people asking about it? Are people asking about your knowledge? So that's why you have to pay attention to questions like, how do you do this? Can you teach me? Can you teach me? How can I achieve this? Can you help me with this? I don't know if you know a particular guy on TikTok. He does this animal creation. He use animals to speak in Yoruba language. And a lot of people are like, how do you do this? How do you use this voiceover? That's a sign that people are going to pay for that knowledge, because people are already asking questions around it. How do you do this? How can you teach me this? Can I achieve this? A lot of that. And that's how I was able to make this lot of sales. When I began showing people on my status, I began showcasing the landing page I created with AI. People began to ask me that, how do you do this? How do you do this? Can you teach me? How can I achieve this? That's a sign for me that people are ready to buy this knowledge. And I packaged it into a digital course and I began to sell it. And today I have over 100 sales on it. So repeated questions can be an early indication of demand. Repeated questions can be an early indication of demand. So pay attention to whether people are asking you questions around what you know or what you do. Sign two, people are actively looking for solution. You need to know that. So search where your audience spend time. Places like Google, YouTube, Facebook group, TikTok, or Reddit. Are people asking questions about your problem? Are they searching for tutorials? Are they complaining about it? Don't guess, look for evidence. Look for evidence that people actually need it. Now, one of my evidence was my my customers. They were like, they needed landing page to run ads. So that's how I knew that this is problem that people need solution to. And the issue was, developers were charging them a fortune. So I knew that it was a demand. It was in demand. Landing page was a demand for my client. So I learned how to use free AI tools to do it. And when I package it as a course, a lot of people buy. So you must search, you must look for evidence that people are looking for the solution. Go on YouTube, type Type your skill, your knowledge, right? And see how many views those videos are having. If they have a lot of videos, if they have a lot of views, that means that people are actually searching for that stuff, and it's a sign that YouTube can create a solution on it. Sign three, people already pay for similar solution. If people are already paying for similar solution, it's a sign for you. Now, many times you might see someone already selling a course similar to your idea, and you think someone has already done it, so it's not necessary. No, that's not a bad thing, because the truth is that one person cannot serve the whole market. And that's why if you go to a local market today, you see a lot of people selling the same product. You see multiple people selling Gary, and they're even lined up in the same space. That is because one person cannot serve everybody. So different vendor for different customers. So the fact that someone is already selling a course or a solution that you also have is a sign that the market already exists and you too can launch into it. Do you get it? Now, these AI landing pages that I'm creating, I'm not the only one doing it. There are some other people doing it. Do you get it? So once you see that other people are already selling out in that, you also need to enter the market really quick so that the market will not get saturated, right? So your job is just to find your audience, your angle, your method, right? That's what you just need to do. Sign for your content get a response. Before creating the product, talk about the topic. Create YouTube videos, reels, posts, thread, tutorials. Then watch what happen. Are people commenting? Are they asking questions? Are they sharing? Are they sending DMs? And that's one of the things I did. I began talking about AI landing pages, the possibility of building landing pages with AI, with free tools. People now began to ask me questions around it. Are you sure we're not going to pay for AI tools? I said yes. I began asking people questions. People started commenting and all of that. So that gave me a sign that yes, people are actually interested in this thing. And I went ahead to create the product and I sold that. You get it? So content response is useful as an early sign, although engagement alone doesn't prove people will buy, but is a sign. So before you create a course, talk about the topic multiple times, not just one day and go. No, talk about at least for a whole 1 week and see the response of people around it. If people are responding, people are engaging, it's a sign that they are going to pay for it once you try to sell it. Do you get it? So sign five, people take action. This is stronger than likes. Ask interested people to join a waitlist, register for a class, book a call, join a community, pay a deposit. Now, I love this. One of the things I do whenever I want to create a digital product, I start talking about it. I start showing people, the result I've gotten in it. I start showing people behind the scene. Then I will be like, if you're interested in this, if you're interested to learn this thing, join the waitlist. So once my waitlist, I already have 5 people in my waitlist. That usually give me an an ultimate sign that people are going to pay for it. So once people can join your wait list, no matter how few, whether it's five, that's enough, right? And also, if people can pay deposit, they can pre-order it. Then it's also a sign that you should create the course, right? So this is very important. Allow people to take actions around it, and this is my best bet. Join the wait list. Then in the wait list, you start giving them more details about the course, about the creation of the course. You can also tell them to pre-order, and they will do that. Do you get it? So the more commitment you require, the stronger the signal. So interest, it does not equal willingness to pay, but when people take action, that's a sign that they are going to pay, right? So the strongest validation is someone saying, "I would definitely buy this." Is good. Someone actually paying, that is better, right? One of the strongest ways to validate a digital product is to pre-sell or run a paid live version before spending weeks creating the full product. And in the next video, that's what I'm going to actually show you, how to pre-sell your digital product. It's very important that you know how to pre-sell. I always love to pre-sell my digital product before I create it. So do that also, right? So if so, this is the simple validation formula I want you to follow. Before you build your digital product, check the problem. Do people actually have this problem? How do you check it? You go on YouTube, go on Google, you go on Reddit, and go and check if people are asking questions around that product, around that problem, right? Then check the demand. Are they actively looking for solution? Now, whenever you're looking, whenever you're searching around whether people have this problem, you're also going to see this. Are they actively looking for solution? Then prove, are people already paying for similar solution? Then action, will your audience take meaningful action towards your solution? Something like joining a wait list and all of that. Once they join a wait list, then that's a perfect proof. Then payment, will someone actually pay? Right? So these are the validation formula that you should follow. Your problem, ensure that this is a problem that people actually have. Then demand, look, start, do a market research to know whether people are actually actively looking for that problem. Then also look at other people. You can go on um, platforms like what's it called, Udemy, and see if there's a cost on that your product and see how many people have bought it. If people are buying it, then that means that it's a proof that someone can actually buy your own also. Then action, tell people to join a wait list, tell people to pre-order. If they do that, is a perfect sign that they will buy your stuff. Then payment, will someone actually pay? Right? So I believe you have learned something here, how to know if people are going to pay for your product. Now, if this is something that seems overwhelmed, you cannot do it by yourself. That is why I don't want to, don't do this. Don't do this. Idea. Don't have an idea, then spend 2 months creating, launch, and hope someone buys. No, instead, you should have an idea, validate the idea. Very important. It's very important that we validate the idea. Create. In fact, I feel like this is one of the most important steps in selling digital products by validating the idea. Right? Then once you validate the idea, create, then sell. Validation before every production reduce the risk of spending weeks building something nobody wants. This is very important, and this is what I'm going to show you if you join me in this live trading. Idan Knowledge to Income Blueprint. Now, this is going to be a 1 month live training where you bring your knowledge and we are going to validate it, build the product, build the offer, the sales system, and launch it. That means that after 1 month training, you are going to have a finished digital product that is already selling, that is already bringing you money, right? So I want us to build your next digital product together, and it's going to be on a live training. So this is not just a course you're just going to watch and get confused. No, you're going to be on a live training with me. I'm going to see your idea. Then once we see your idea, we try to validate it. Once we validate it, we are going to create a product around it. And once you create that product, we also create an offer that will make people buy the product. Then we also create the sales system and launch, right? And that will be done within the space of 1 month. So that means that before the end of this year, you have a digital product that is also making you money online. If you are interested in this live training, I want you to join a wait list. The wait list, you have more information about it. The link to this wait list is in the description below. Ensure that you join and let us build your next digital product together. I believe you have learned something in this video. If yes, ensure that you like, you comment, and you subscribe to this channel. Also share this video to someone that you know will be interested, and I will see you in the next one.